Hey there, animal lovers! Welcome to the Guess the Animal by Emoji challenge. Think you know your animals? Well, it's time to put your skills to the test. We'll show you a set of emojis, and your job is to guess the animal they represent. Some will be easy, but others might just trick you. Ready? Get your thinking caps on, and let's play. First one, can you guess this animal by these emojis? You got it, it is monkey. What could this be? Seahorse? I wonder what animal is this? Can you guess this animal? What could this be? Can you guess this animal? What animal does these emoji represent? Take a guess. Can you guess this animal? It is a ladybug, you got it. Take a guess. Can you guess this animal? Tell us in the comment what you think this is. I wonder what animal is this? What animal does these emoji represent? Take a guess. Can you guess this animal? I wonder what animal is this? You got it, it's wolf. What animal does these emoji represent?